chew. 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 Thank you for coming play my new big game. I roll dice time start my friend. This game on Connie. How many teeth? Six. Wow. 6. 6 times 10 equal 16.
I am 60 here to play. With 60 spots. Hip hip hooray. Cool.
Are you step quad like me? I noticed high step math well. The answer is yes. I can make step safe with 1 to 10. And I with 60. 6 lost 10 heaven high score. I'm 16. Stand 60.
Game on.
Come on, nói. We can. Wow. Oh.
Oh, no. The special game dice. I'm sure you'll see that dice again. This calls for another 10.
7 times 10 equal
70.
I'm 70. You will again. Advocate foreign. 10. So, I'm also.
10/7. The Rainbow Collection.
Fool. Easier. It's over high, but you can eat back again. Lucky kangaroo eyes soon.
Here kommer. Another 10. 8 times 10 equals
80. I'm 80 super october block to the statue. Secret I made 10, but it's a job. And 8 october block a symbol robot to block forward. Yeah, wow. Aha.
Dine Octoblock, smash. 80's the biggest hero of all. Oh, there's always someone bigger. Look, up in the sky. It's
another 10.
9 times 10 equal 90. I am 90. You won't believe cho I. Are you square or not? But I can tell. Haha.
This grid is 10 blocks by 10 blocks. But I am 2 columns short. Or 2 rows.
It's the way I'm not square. Oh.